Hello, welcome back to Coding Everywhere. Today we will continue coding in Python the solution to our set of inequality problems. Let's review our previous solution first. We implemented the evaluation of the coefficient of the unknown on the left-hand side and the evaluation of the right-hand side. Today I will solve the problem for the case where the coefficient is positive. So in this case, we will have to divide by this coefficient on both sides and we will have the solution. So let's start writing the code. I will first store the coefficient in a variable, so I will say coefficient. It's equal eval of LHS and the unknowns. Okay, now if coefficient is larger than 0, then I will print the solution, and that will be so unknown, it's on the left hand side, formula sign, and eval of RHS divided by coefficient. Okay, so that should be all. I will save this file and let's run our tests. So I will start with the initial test case. Okay, so we have x is larger than 9. That's correct. And this is our previous solution. X is larger than 9. Then the second one, x is larger than 18. Then the third one, x is smaller than 9. Very good. Fourth one, x is smaller than equal than 9. Fifth one. Well, on fifth one, we will solve it in the next session because we have a negative coefficient. Sixth one, x is larger than 9, that is correct. And seventh one, again we have a negative coefficient. So in the next session, we will implement the solution for test case 5 and 7 where the coefficient is negative. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to Coding Everywhere channel to be updated whenever new videos are uploaded. Bye bye.